Are you looking for the ultimate telephoto lens in 2024? Whether you're capturing wildlife, sports, or distant landscapes, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll compare the top telephoto lenses for Canon, Nikon, and Sony systems to help you find the perfect match for your photography needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Canon EF 70-300mm f4 to 5.6 IS II USM. This is a solid telephoto zoom for APS-C SLRs, offering a lightweight, compact design at 70 by 111mm and 375 grams. However, for those looking for a step up, its full-frame counterpart delivers much more. Measuring 80 by 146mm and weighing 7.1 grams, it's nearly double the size and weight, but more than makes up for it in performance. This lens offers a telephoto reach equivalent to 480mm on APS-C bodies, and features a nano USM autofocus system, which is faster and quieter than STM motors. Its image stabilization is more effective, and it delivers sharper image quality across the range. A standout feature is its in-barrel information screen with a mode cycling button, enhancing usability. It's an excellent choice for APS-C users seeking top-tier performance, and a budget-friendly telephoto option for full-frame Canon cameras, including EOS R series mirrorless models via an adapter. Number 2. Canon RF 100-400mm of 5.6 to 8 IS USM. This is a compact and lightweight super telephoto zoom, offering the convenience and feel of a classic 70-300mm lens, but designed exclusively for EOS R series mirrorless cameras. Its slim design ensures excellent balance and manageability, making it ideal for extended use without fatigue. Key highlights include a super-fast autofocus system, highly effective image stabilization, and impressive image quality across the zoom range. However, sharpness can drop off at close focusing distances when using the longest zoom setting, a minor caveat for its performance. The f8 aperture at the telephoto end might seem limiting, especially in low light, but it's a fair trade-off for the lens's compact and lightweight build. Overall, this lens is a stellar choice for photographers seeking a versatile and portable super telephoto. Sony FE 100-400mm f4.5 to 5.6 G Master OSS. Slightly lighter and barely larger than Sony's 70-200mm G Master telephoto zoom. The Sony FE 100-400mm f4.5 to 5.6 GMOSS is a well-built super telephoto lens with a distinctive extending barrel design. This telescoping zoom is both solid and ergonomically refined, featuring dual-mode optical stabilization for static and panning shots, an autofocus range limiter, and multiple autofocus hold buttons for versatile handling. A unique addition is the adjustable friction damper for the zoom ring, which compensates for the extending design. The optical construction includes 2 ED, extra-low dispersion elements, and 1 Super ED element, ensuring excellent sharpness and contrast. Autofocus is impressively fast, driven by a dual linear motor paired with a DDS-SM, direct drive supersonic motor. The lens delivers stunning bokeh and sharp imagery, though its stabilizer underperforms unless paired with in-body stabilization on newer Sony cameras. So, which is the best? Our winner is the Sony FE 100-400mm lens, offering unbeatable image quality, fast autofocus, and versatility. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this lens stands out as the ultimate telephoto choice for 2024. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments.